Hey guys, I wanted us to go back over division strategy this morning using the box method. I know some of you have your own strategies. You work on it with partial quotients, or you may know how to do it the old people way, the standard algorithm. And if those work for you, that's fine. But I know a lot of you were using the box method, and I want to go back over it. We're going to do a single digit divisor and a double digit divisor, okay? That way you can kind of see and remember what it looks like, all right? So let's say that we were going to do the problem 316 divided by 4. So if I'm thinking about using the box method, first of all, I notice that my dividend, 316, is a 3-digit number. So my box is going to have 3 sections. Okay. Let me adjust so you can see that. There we go. So my box is going to have 3 sections, and I'm going to put the number 316 like this, and 4 is going to go on the outside. Now, we've talked about a division family, okay? Dad, mom, sister, brother. So let me jot them down over here. Dad, mom, sister, brother. So basically that's the order in which we're going to do things. We're going to divide first, multiply, subtract, and then bring down or bring over when we're using the box method, okay? So let's get started with that. I apologize that I keep adjusting the camera. I can't get it fixed right. So the first thing we're going to do is divide. So does 4 go into 3? It does not. So I'm going to put my 0, okay? 4 goes into 3 0 times. My next step is to multiply. 0 times 4 is 0. So I write that down, and then I am going to subtract that. And that leaves me with 3, okay? So you'll notice we divided first, multiplied, and then subtracted. Now we're ready to bring over. So I'm going to bring my 3 over, and now my new number is 31. So how many times does 4 go into 31? Well, I know that 4 times 7 is 28. 4 times 8 is 32. So 8 is too many. So it's going to go in 7 times. So I've divided. Then I'm going to multiply 7 times 4, 28. Subtract that. Leaves me 3. And then I am going to bring that 3 over. My new number is 36. When I get to a new box, that's when I start over again. So 4 goes into 36. So 36 divided by 4 is 9. 9 times 4 is 36. Subtract, and that leaves me with 0. If I had leftovers there, that would be my remainder, right? Okay, let's do it with the 2-digit number, and then I will let you guys go for today. So when we're doing this with a 2-digit number, absolutely, positively, nothing changes except we're working with a 2-digit number. That's it, okay? So we're going to do 24 into 3,196. So 3,196 divided by 24. So since it is a 4-digit dividend, that means my box, my rectangle, is going to have 4 sections, okay? And inside that, I'm going to write 3,196. So this box is going to be my thousands place, my hundreds, my tens, my ones, okay? 24 goes on the outside. So we start out with division. Does 24 go into 3? It doesn't. So 0 times 24 is 0. And I subtract. That leaves me with 3. And I'm ready to bring that over. So now my new box is 31. So I'm going to do 31 divided by 24. I know 24 will go into 31 one time. 1 times 24 is 24. Then I subtract. That leaves me with 7. So now I'm ready to bring that over. My new number is 79. So when I'm doing 2-digit numbers like this, sometimes to the side, if I'm not sure what it's going to be, I'll create a T-chart. So I know that 1 times 24 is 24. 2 times 24 I know is 48. After that, I'm going to have to do a little bit of work. It's okay if you have to do some repeated addition or some multiplication. So 3 will be 72 and 4 will be 96. So I can see that 72 is going to be the closest I can get. So 79 divided by 24 is going to be 3. 3 times 24, 72, and I'm going to subtract. That leaves me with 7. Bring it over. 24 goes into 76. 3 times. I can look back at my T-chart. 3 times 24 is 72. Subtract. So this 4 is my remainder. So my quotient or my answer is 133. Because remember, we have our hundreds place, our tens place, and our ones place. Remainder 4. Okay, so that was just a quick review of a couple of problems using our box method for division. Stay tuned later this week. We're going to do some multiplication and we're going to do some volume. I've got some fun activities for us to do with volume, okay? See you soon.